Hello and welcome. In this snip, I'll show you how to create a simple build and release using Azure DevOps. Prerequisites to the snip is browsing to dev.azure.com and registering your email. And once registered, log into the DevOps portal. Let's now create a new project. Do that by clicking Create Project up the top right. I'll give it a project name, give it a description, and I'll click Create. Okay, now let's flip over to Visual Studio. Now that we're inside Visual Studio, let's now do File, New Project. Inside here, I'll choose Web Application. I'll call it MVC Demo, Web App. Click OK. Now that I'll choose MVC, click OK again. Okay, now our project's loaded. Let's just run it and double check everything works as expected. Okay, that looks good. I'll close that down. Let's now add it to source control. We'll choose Git. Okay, so the important part here is to choose your account, choose the project from the drop down, and then give it a repository name, and then click Publish Repository. So let's now click on Pipelines and then Builds. Let's click New Pipeline. This time I'll select Use the Visual Designer. We'll choose the Azure Repos Git as the source, project, the repo, and we'll choose the default master brand. Click Continue. So we're going to deploy an ASP.NET web app. So let's choose Apply. That all looks good. Let's just click Save and Continue. Save and Queue, sorry. So let's now click on the build. We can see the agents running. It's ready for the job. It's now connecting and the build's taking place. Okay, now we can see we have a successful build. Let's go ahead and create a release. To do that, I'll go over to Releases. I'll click New Pipeline. I'll choose an empty job to start off with. I'll name my stage Development. So I want to deploy to development first. We get a build succeeded email pop in. So you just click here to close the stage. I need to add an artifact, so that's me basically choosing the artifact from the previous build. Now at this point I need to add a task, but before we do that, I'm going to flip over to the Azure portal itself. I'll create a resource group so we can put our resources in there and we can deploy to that. So go into my resource group, I click Add. Just going to choose my subscription. I'm going to create a new resource group. I'll just call it Demo Web App. I'm going to go to my resource group. I'm going to create an app service plan now. This is where you host your website. I'm going to click Add again. I want to choose App Service Plan. I'm going to click Create. Now I need to fill it in. Demo Web App. I'm going to put it in my existing resource group. I want it on Windows. I'm going to put it in the same region. So that's the app service plan created. Now that we've created our app service plan, let's add an app service. Let's choose Web App. I need to have a unique name here. Okay, now that that's created, let's flip back to Azure DevOps. Let's click refresh. And there we go, there's our app service name. So at this point we're ready to do a release. So we've done the build, we've set up the new release pipeline. Let me just rename this. And then I'll create a release. Choose development. So now that's going to go off and create a release and deploy it to Azure. Okay, now that the release is finished, let's go and check it in Azure. If I click on the link from the URL, which is inside our app server, and there we go. We now have our application built and deployed to Azure. So in summary, in this snip, we have built an MVC web app, we have run a build in Azure DevOps, and we have deployed a release to Azure using Azure DevOps. Really simple, really straightforward. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.